Oh my goodness. Everyone, the struggle has been lit off the chains today. I left the house with my vlogging camera, but I left without my fully charged batteries, and I left without all of my SD cards. So luckily I have my phone, and I think my phone has been doing a very good job, as you can tell from the dressing room try-ons that I've done. I gotta give props to iPhone. They definitely take good quality videos. So yeah, that's one thing. Second thing is this traffic is berserk. And I remember 2 years ago when I did Vlogmas, I had an event at Saks Fifth Avenue. I made the mistake of driving into the city, getting stuck everywhere I went. So I think I'm passing my job. I think what I'll do is put my car in the lot, since I pay for monthly parking, and there's a train station 2 blocks away. Take the train into the city because I have a doctor's appointment at 4 o'clock. I cannot be late for this doctor's appointment. And I'm not afraid to take the train anymore. You know, I see the convenience, and I have London to thank for that because I took the underground everywhere. And then when my mother came to visit me for my engagement and birthday, I took the Long Island Railroad into the city, and then we took the train, and it just was so much more convenient. I have to get my luggage tag stamped, and I also have Lady B's luggage tag that she wants stamped. So I want to take a look at some of the Louis Vuitton leather bags, because truth be told, I don't know what happened. There's a switch that flipped in my brain, and I am no longer satisfied with my Louis Vuitton canvas bag collection. I know this is going to be controversial. You know, I appreciate that history. Don't get me wrong. Coco Chanel requesting that Louis Vuitton make the Alma into a handbag size. It was originally a travel bag, luggage bag. I appreciate Audrey Hepburn requesting Louis Vuitton making the LV Speedy into a 25 because she felt it better suited her needs, as do I. But not sure. Then there are a couple of other handbags that I think were more just the thrill of the hunt. And I did enjoy them for a brief period of time when I had them, but I'm not using them. And I'm taking so much into consideration these days, everyone. You know, my family member with the health issues, and you know, they have to go back for a major reconstruction in January. This surgery that just passed in July was one of a series of 3 that have to take place. You know, I'm engaged now, so I'm planning for my future, and I just feel so different. It's like my paradigm has shifted. I'm about family, future. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have like my 401k and my pension that's coming to me also, but I'm just talking about like other things. I just want to get rid of a lot of handbags actually, and I have my eye on about 1 or 2 the most. Unfortunately, they're both black. I need to get away from black handbags. Speaking of black handbags, I'm using my Burberry Tanner. Oh, you can't even see it right now. The last time I used it, I did a what's in my bag video. And then the following winter, I just didn't reach for it. It's the oddest thing. So I'm back to that. I have my black Chanel. I have my black Fendi Mini, by the way, bag. Then I have my YSL Sac de Jour, which I love. It's so streamlined and so elegant. If I were a businesswoman, I mean, that would be the perfect bag, but just to have like an elegant, conservative look, that's also a nice bag. It's a gorgeous bag. I love the cognac color of the leather. So that's definitely staying in my collection. So let me get off this exit and park in the lot, and I'll see you guys in the train station. But oh, really quickly, while I'm at Louis Vuitton, I want to take a look at their leathers. Okay, so I made it to the train station. I had to get a new Metro card, so that I got, and now I'm just waiting for my train. More mind the gap. So close. Yeah, four. Yeah, four.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
And you have different.
That was not bad.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. I prefer this one, but it's also nice.
Look at these gorgeous snakeskin. How beautiful is this?
This is what you need.
Can you imagine owning a trunk that's got the Empire State Building? I would love it. This is where they hot stamp all of these gorgeous, gorgeous leather tags. I'm sorry, luggage tags. Forgive me, I've had some champagne, so I'm a little bit tipsy. Look at this detailing.
In 1909, a baron from France gave his wife a lovely gift for a trunk. Unluckily for the gentleman who received the gift for his wife, he happened to put her initials on the piece, and it was bad luck in the early 1900s to get your name on a piece or any type of home item unless you were officially married. He told her that he wanted to fill it with all her hopes and dreams for the rest of their life, and after he said that, she was more than happy to receive the gift.
This is perforated Louis Vuitton leather jacket. I love it. I feel like an Epi Petite Mall is more realistic because it's squishier, so you might have more room for error with a bag like this. These little hints of canvas are very nice too. I like this, actually, quite a bit. Here's some more Louis leather. Look at how cute the little catagram. Not everybody likes it, but I have Persian kitties, so of course I'm gonna like it. Gorgeous glasses. I don't know, I think this is absolutely adorable, but that's just me. They also have it in the petite maille. How cute! These are pretty interesting. The trailblazers, star blazers, whatever they're called. Oh, these earrings are pretty. Look how gorgeous. And that scarf. I love the glasses. They're good. They're cute.
And they're comfy, so that's a good part.
Look at how beautiful this is. This looks like it is a trunk case specifically for shoes. Gorgeous.